When we are faced with a sum like 4 plus 3 times 2, it can be difficult to know which part of the sum to do first. Many people will work from left to right and add 4 and 3 together to get 7, and then multiply this by 2 to get an answer of 14. But this would be incorrect. There is a general rule that tells us which way to approach these types of calculations. This is BIDMAS. This stands for brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It is referred to as the order of operations. For example, if we followed BIDMAS for our first sum, we would do the multiplication first, as this comes before the addition in BIDMAS. So we have 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6, and then add 4 to give us an answer of 10. If we look at a more complex sum of 4 squared plus 2 in brackets divided by 9 multiplied by 3, even though this is more complex, we will still follow the same rule of BIDMAS. Here we will do everything in the brackets first, so 4 squared plus 2. Here we also have to follow BIDMAS and know that we need to do the indices 4 squared before we add 2. 4 squared is 16, and if we add 2 we get 18. We can now rewrite this as 18 divided by 9 multiplied by 3. Now, by following BIDMAS, we know that division comes before multiplication, so the next calculation we will do is 18 divided by 9, which is 2. Again, we can rewrite this, so what we have left is 2 multiplied by 3. And we know from this that the answer is 6. On first inspection, this sum looks quite difficult, but by following BIDMAS, we have made things much easier for ourselves. There is nothing wrong with writing the word BIDMAS along the edge of your calculations to give you a guide to work from. As long as we follow the order of BIDMAS, we will generate correct answers. I hope this has helped and you know more about BIDMAS and the order of operations.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.